Welcome back to machine learning course. We will see how the Python and other related tools can be installed in your machine. This document has the installation steps involved in the machine learning course. The course contents are available in GitHub. You can take this course contents from the GitHub path. First step is you have to install Python 3.6.8. So you can get this version of Python from python.org in this URL. You can see here, this is the path. So if you type this URL, you will get this page. You scroll down, you can see here. So you can see this file. This is the one you have to download. So once you download and install, you can type Python from the command line. You will get the version of the Python. You will get the version of the Python like this. Better to install the path under C drive. Python 36 is the path, is the recommended path, and also add this path in the path variable, in the environment variable. You can see here, this is the environment variable. So under environment variable, you can see the path variable here. In this path variable, you can see the path of Python also. After that, if you type Python, it will show the version of the Python. You can quit from this window. This is for Windows users. For Ubuntu users, you have to use, these are all the commands you have to use: apt-get update, then apt-get install Python 3.6.8, configure how to configure the Python in Ubuntu. You have to use this command so that the Python, latest Python will be the default Python. This will set the Python 3.6.8 as the default Python. Then you have to install pip also. So sudo apt update and upgrade. Then you can install the Python 3 pip you can install. So you have to link the symbolic library of pip3 as pip. Then you can upgrade the pip also. So this is the way you have to install for Linux machine. I have installed a WSL, Windows support for Linux. You can see here I am typing Python. So you can see the Python 3.6.8 is installed in WSL. So some problems you may face, that time you can troubleshoot to install pip properly. So sudo python 3 -m pip uninstall, you can uninstall and reinstall you can do with this command. Then pip 3 again you can upgrade using this command. In the case of Windows subsystem for Linux, use the following command. So you can use alias for pip. Then you can remove, sometimes you may require to remove and reinstall, that time you can remove also. These are all the troubleshooting mechanisms available for pip. Once Python and pip are both are installed, you can move to the next step. Here you can see how pip version is, you can see the pip version here. You can see the latest pip is installed in this machine. So once pip install, Python and pip both are installed, then you can go for pandas. Pandas is very important. It is a library, important library. Python and pandas are very important to do some numerical calculations. So install pip, and using pip you can install pandas also. So in my case already installed, so it is showing the requirement already satisfied. In your case it will take some time to install. You can install the pandas also. Then Jupyter. Jupyter you can install. This is required for opening the notebook. .ipynb files you can open using this Jupyter. Then you can install Seaborn. Seaborn is also an important library. So it installs other library like SciPy, NumPy, Pandas and all. It is making sure it is all are installed. Then the next step is PyCharm. PyCharm is very important editor which we'll be using throughout this course. So PyCharm is the one I am using, so I'm recommending PyCharm only. Next is very important step is installing TensorFlow. So we'll see the complete machine learning course. We'll be doing many exercises using TensorFlow. So TensorFlow installation is very important. So install TensorFlow also. So the TensorFlow requirement already satisfied. So once the TensorFlow is installed, then you go for SciPy. SciPy also you would install. Some scientific functionalities it is supporting. Then sklearn, scikit-learn. Scikit-learn also you have to install. See, in this case, in my case it is already installed. Then Keras. Keras is the one which is using TensorFlow underneath. At the same time it supports many libraries. So in machine learning course we will not deal with Keras, we will deal with only TensorFlow. Anyway, you can install and keep it ready for your all our exercise. Next is OpenCV Python. For image processing and computer vision related exercise, you need this OpenCV. Then Pillow. These are all supporting libraries. Then NLTK. Then PyDot also important, you can install. So in my case already installed. Then Graphis. This is for drawing the graphs. This library will be useful for drawing the graphs also. So these are all the important steps involved in the installation process. So once you install all these the packages, it will take some 1 hour, 1.5 hours to install, but you have to install all these libraries so that we can do all our exercise. So once you